Live na tayo!
Yung buong buhay ko changed. Pagkatapos yung graduation ko, nagsimula ako dito sa industriya sa Itbulaga. Tapos yung industry dito, it was my first entrance. Tapos everything changed from there talaga. Yung first ever exposure, first ever dance prod, first ever lahat, first ever hosting, first ever interviews na seryoso, getting to know people, especially meeting the Dubber Cats. Lahat ng first ko dito talaga sa Itbulaga. Lahat, as in, yung acting, umarte, the singing live, the dancing live, first ever dance prod ko was yung Lil Boo thing. At even yung first ever hosting, yung acting sa Lenten, kasama, at ngayon yung Barangay Cinema, kasama ni Joe Mapao, at yung first ever ko na kaibigan sa industriya. Lahat kayo, even lahat sa Itbulaga, lahat kayo din. Everything I know now sa itong industriya, I learned it because of Itbulaga. And it hasn't even been a year. Dami ko natuto. Di ba, friend? We're so proud.
Proud?
So honored. Rock on talaga. Yung first ever ko prosthetic nose. AI family. First time ever ko na naka-costume. Wow, first time ever ko naka-perform ng heels. First time ever ko nasuot ng heels for more than 2 hours. Dito! Ha? Oo, at yung tatay ko, first time ever ko kasama yung tatay ko sa stage. Dito sa Itbulaga. So lahat ng, ano yan, pangarap ko noon sa college, dahil sa Itbulaga, I was able to experience it. You guys are the best!